Hi guys, and in this video we are going to learn that how we can attack on a website without using any tool. Yeah, without using any tool you can also attack on a website. You can attack on the database and you can gather sensitive information, right? So that's why this information is actually really necessary for you if you want to attack on a website without using any tool, right? No tools from Kali Linux, no tools from internet, right? So I'm here showing you that how we can attack on that website, that live website, and with some SQL injection commands. Got it? So just focus on this video and you will get information about that how you can perform manual SQL injection on that website. All right. So to perform that, it's quite easy. In previous videos, we have seen that how you can gather information about SQL map tool, right? You can easily gather information about databases, tables, columns, and data. Can we gather same information using manual method, means without using any tool? Actually, yes. You can gather same information by using that method, right? You don't need any software inside this video. All right. How we can do this? Let me show you. So open the browser of the Kali Linux and the same website which we generally use for the testing, testphp.vulnerweb.com. So you can open this website. How you will open this website? First of all, you can open this link, vulnerweb.com. All right, this is a sample website provided by Acunetics, and inside that you can use the second option, testphp.vulnerweb.com. And we are going to gather information about the username and the password of the admin panel without using any tool. So here you can see this is the website. You can see here, right? The first task we need to do is find out a link, right, of any page. So that's again the same thing. Click on the artist and you can click on any link here, doesn't matter. So click on the first one. And this is a sample website which we are working on or in which we are testing. All right, so first of all, what we need to do here, the first task here to find out that the website is actually vulnerable or not with SQL injection. It means this website has the vulnerability of SQL injection or not. How we can find it? It's quite simple. So do one thing. This is the link available in the URL. You need to just type apostrophe after that. Apostrophe means single quote after one and hit enter. If you are getting this kind of error on any website by using this method, it means that website is actually vulnerable to SQL injection method, right? And we can attack on this website. So here you can see that we got this kind of error. This is a warning message, right, from the DB. It means this is a kind of indication, right, that this website is vulnerable to SQL injection, and we can further try on that. That's great. Now remove that apostrophe. We got the error message and it is done now. Next option is find out the vulnerable columns of the website. Or in simple way, I can say that find out the number of open doors in the website so that we can get enter inside it with one of that door. In simple words, I am telling you the doors, but in technically it is called vulnerable columns. To find out the vulnerable columns, do one thing, type order space by space, and this is a hit and trial method as we have no idea about how many vulnerable columns are in the website. So you can type order space by space 5 dash dash. We are thinking that there are 5 vulnerable columns. So let's try, hit enter. So there is no changes in the page. It means this is wrong assumption. So let's try with 4. Just make it 4 and hit enter. There is no changes in the website. It means 4 is also the wrong assumption. So let's try with 3 and hit enter. And by using 3, you can see here that the page actually changes. It means 3 is the right information. 3 are the right number of vulnerable columns in the website. Alright, 3 are the number of doors in any house. It's just a concept, right? And 3 are the number of vulnerable columns in the website, in which I'm going to use one of them to get enter in the website. Now, first of all, let's find out the number of tables or the name of the tables first. We don't need to find database here. You can directly find the table names here. So as we got here that we have 3 columns, so let me remove order by, and now let me type the command to find out the information about tables. So you can type here union select. How many columns we have? 3. So you can type 1 comma 2 comma, and I'm going to replace the third one with the command. So you can type here group underscore concat table name, table underscore name from information underscore schema dot tables, where table underscore schema equals to database bracket open bracket close and dash dash. So this is a simple command to get information about the tables. I have also inserted this command in the description of the video, right? I have attached this command, so you can also look there. If you are unable to type this command, you can copy paste from there. So this is the command group underscore concat table name from information schema dot tables, where table underscore schema equal to database dash dash, and hit enter to get the number of tables. And you can see on the screen that the command didn't work. We didn't get any tables here. So what was the error there? There was no error, just one thing, make sure this is the link of the website artist equal to 1. So there are 3 possibilities. Either you use this one -1, or you can use this one, right? And the final possibility is you use both of them, dash and single quote. So I'm trying both, basically all the 3 options. Let's try which works. So first of all, I'm using both dash and apostrophe all together. Hit enter. So we didn't get anything. Now let me remove the dash before 1 and just use apostrophe. Hit enter. Again it didn't work. And now let me remove this one and try with dash and hit enter. And here we go. So you can see on the screen that we got the number of tables of the website. Here you can see on the screen, these are the number of tables: artists, cards, category, featured, guestbook, pictures, products, users. So we also got this kind of information using SQL map, if you remember. So we got the same information without using any tool in the website. Now we will find the column names. So pick this table name users and let's try to find column names. So we need to make changes in the command. So in the group underscore concat, we need to use column underscore name rather than table underscore name. So I need to type column underscore name from information schema dot columns, where table underscore, I need to remove this information. I need to type where table underscore name equals to, inside double quote you need to type the table name, and the table name is users, right? And outside the double quote you can type dash dash. Hit enter. And here you can see you got the column names here. So these are the column names: uname, pass, cc, address, email, name, phone and card. Now the final task is to gather information from the column names, right? So our column names are uname and pass. So let's try to find information about both of them simultaneously. So copy this, and you need to remove column underscore name inside group underscore concat and paste both of them are here. Uname comma pass from information, remove everything from here, and you need to type uname comma pass from, what is the table name? Users dash dash. Hit enter. And here you can see that you got the username and password, which we got using SQL map. Test is the username and test is the password. But actually there is no space in between them, right? So let me type something in between them to make space. So after comma, you can type 0, small x, 3, small a, and comma, pass, and hit enter now. And now you can see basically that is the Unicode, right? And basically it was a separation, and you can see now they both are separated. Username is test and the password is also test. So without using any tool, you can also attack on a website using SQL injection vulnerability. That's great. Now you can basically go to the sign up page, type the username, test, type the password, and basically you can click on login page, and here you can see that we are inside that login page, right? And so you have seen that how we can attack on a website without using tools like SQL map or SQL Swiss. There are so many other tools available, but you can also do this thing without using any tool. So that was our goal. That was my goal, to provide you this knowledge that how you can perform SQL injection without using any tool. That is called manual SQL injection technique, right? And others is called tool-based SQL injection technique. So I hope you learned that how you can perform this kind of attack, and try this, right? And if you get any problem, you can ask me anytime. So thank you so much.